What's up, everyone? Luxside here. 1 billion XRP tokens may seem like a sizable amount. We're talking $500 million. And this is actually the amount of tokens that are set to be unlocked today by Ripple. Now, should you as an XRP holder be worried about this? What kind of impact is this going to have on price? And is this something that's going to happen for the foreseeable future? That's what I want to talk about in this video with you guys. So what people need to know is that Ripple has an escrow account. And in this escrow account, they have billions of XRP tokens. And each month, there's actually 1 billion XRP tokens that become unlocked. Now, does this mean 1 billion of these tokens are going to hit the open market? No. In fact, what Ripple tends to do is they actually sell somewhere between 100 million to 200 million of these XRP tokens and then return the rest to escrow, being locked away again for a significant amount of time. So now we're talking somewhere between, 50 million to $100 million in value that is going to be dumped on the crypto market. Now, looking at the price of XRP and what has happened throughout history, is this something that typically affects price? It does a little bit, but not to the extent that some people think. You may think, tens to $100 million worth of XRP is a lot, and it is, but there is enough demand in the market to consume this. In fact, when we look at just typical trading days in terms of XRP, we're on a very low day right now, and we're talking $500 million worth of trading volume. The market, there's a demand. There's a demand in place for XRP, and that demand is actually only going to be increasing as time goes on, and I'll get to this in just a moment. But you guys can see that even at the height of some of these days, we're talking billions, multiple billions of dollars worth of trading volume. So the market can in fact absorb this. It's yet to see what they're going to be putting into the market today, whether that be 100 million, 200 million, we'll have to wait and see. But this has been the consistent theme since back in 2017, when they placed a total of 55 billion XRP tokens in escrow. Now, what's interesting about this is that David Schwartz, who's the CTO of Ripple, actually back in January, talked about the goal being to reduce this XRP holdings as quickly as possible. He's not sure whether this was even a good idea in the first place. Now, what's very interesting as well is that Brad Garlinghouse didn't rule out the possibility of actually burning XRP tokens from escrow, removing the available supply that's actually going to be in the market, which if anyone's familiar with burns can be beneficial, right? Less available XRP to be dumped in the market, right? So they're open to new ideas that could in fact be beneficial to the XRP ecosystem. Now, what I would expect is this is something that's going to probably play out for a while. We're probably going to see more dumped into the market as time goes on. But as the market starts buzzing, as there is more new capital outside the space that's flowing in, these are going to be beneficial things. These are things that are going to much more easily absorb this dumping of XRP. So back when I first started this channel 2 years ago, we were talking about these same unlocks. And frankly, price is doing better than back then. So that's why I say it may make some sort of short-term impact in price, but not so much in the long term. In fact, the less XRP that Ripple does in fact hold, the better it is, because then RippleNet and XRP Ledger become more decentralized ecosystems. Decentralization is a good thing, right? When large entities control large portions of token supply, it's not that great, but their goal is to get rid of it. Their goal is to be out. All right. Now, as always, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. And yes, I think it will take some time to work through this. But the good thing is that they have always done things in a way that haven't been crippling to the market, that haven't been crippling to supply. It wouldn't surprise me if today is in fact one of those less dumping days. I've seen times where they've actually sent all of it back to escrow because they don't want to negatively impact the XRP price. They want things to keep buzzing. They want sentiment to stay positive. They want to keep facilitating these new partnerships and building out this ecosystem that is growing by the day. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Let me know down in the comments down below. Appreciate you guys. Have a great one. Catch you in the next video. Take care.